It's converting really weird search terms that are not even related to the product.
Sound familiar? Look, imagine you're selling accounting software, but Google shows your ads to someone searching for purple elephant socks? That sounds insane, right? But here's what my client didn't know. Google is doing this on purpose. In this coaching call, I reveal why those odd search terms aren't mistakes at all. And when my client understood what was actually happening, it completely changed his campaign strategy. Let me show you exactly what I told him on this call.
It's converting really weird search terms that are not even related to the product. They're super generic. For example, headphones for iPhone. Like, they never converted on this account, but for some reason, this campaign, which is completely broad, no negatives at all, it's converting these weird search terms.
Does it have a higher ROAS than the one above it?
A bit higher.
Yeah, a little bit higher. So both of those two things actually indicate to me that what I said is actually in fact true. So what's happening is people are clicking most likely in that first campaign, and then Google is waiting in the second campaign to see if that user is searching anything related to headphones. And then they're ending up converting. So it's super broad and odd, but it's based off of the user. So you know that that top campaign is feeding into that second campaign. And you can also see that in the tools and attribution. Well, you may be able to see it. We can look, but sometimes it'll actually show you that path. But it's important to know, like, okay, that the function of this campaign, even though it has a lower cost per conversion and it's converting really well, it has a higher conversion rate, more conversions. If you kill that campaign above it, or a campaign that's feeding into this one will die. So here's just what happened. I showed my client that Google completely changed the game. Those weird search terms that seem irrelevant, they're actually not mistakes. So if you're using smart bidding, target ROAS, target CPA, Google is stalking your customers across the internet. So when they're searching for purple elephant socks, Google knows it's actually your customer and shows them your ad. That's not broken, it's brilliant. But here's the rule. Smart bidding equals user targeting. Weird terms are fine in those campaigns. Manual CPC equals keyword targeting. Weird terms are a waste of your money there. So you need to know the difference, and you need to never panic about those strange search terms again in your smart bidding campaigns. This changes everything about how you optimize campaigns. And if this just blew your mind like it did my client, subscribe for more Google ad strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.